What's up, yo? So today we're doing another video on guess what's inside of here. So would you comments down below if you know what's inside. Some of you might know. There's a clue on the back there. You might see Horrid Henry in the background. So I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am now showing. Sonic collection. I have limited edition. Where's Mariah? I cannot put where somewhere. Here. Have Ultra. Oh, this box is very heavy. Ultra Fighter. Ultra Plane. Ice cream with no wheels, because it goes with no wheels. I know why that was very weird. Then I have a normal police car. Then from series 1, the first ever series, the bus. Yeah, got Horrid Henry. Which Horrid Henry for a little bit. You can hear it as well. Oh. I have my favourite tower. The cat. And I did do a video on the cat. And if you're any of my friends watching from my class, subscribe. Comments down below. And there's a giveaway on one of the videos, so make sure you check that out. And also later, because I'm going to, what's it called? Wait. Mom? What's that place called again we're going to? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Imagination Street. So I'm going to do a video there, so make sure you guys check that out. So, yeah. Make sure you subscribe and like. And like I said, if you're my friends, don't forget to subscribe. I know Alex. Big shout out to Alex, Matthew Lime, his brother, and Anya. So, yeah.